one right here. Redneck live well right there. Oh yeah, we got one. Another one. Oh yeah, look at that slab. Ooh. Oh yeah, we got one. Good, another one. Oh. This is a smaller one, but it's still a good one. Showing your friends, man. Another one. This one, smaller. A little one. We'll let him go. Alright. Tiny dude, go away. You got one. You got something. You got something big. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh god. Come in. Oh, get in. Oh yes. Yes. Look at that. That is a slab. Oh my god. That's one of the biggest ones I've caught in a long while. Do I have a tape here? No, I don't think so. God dang. Look at that. Look at that fish. I thought it was a freaking bass. God. Let me pull out another so-called slab crappie. We can see the size difference. So I don't have a tape on me, but I do have a water bottle. Look at that. Look at that water bottle. Oh god. And now here's another one. I mean, it's a big one too, but god dang, that is a slab. Wow, that is a nice one. On the Occoquan with Chartreuse, what do you call these, road runners? What is this, 1/8, I think? Yeah, 1/8 size. I've been seeing fish blow up, and yeah, that's what we came across. That is insane. That is a nice one. All right, let's get back to it. Fish around. You have to look for those blow-ups, man. And then look, the cormorants. There's cormorants and ospreys all around me. I can't see the ospreys right now, but they know the fish are here too. Look for those. Look for those blow-ups, people. Look for them. All right, people. So it's getting dark. I gotta run over to the boat ramp. I gotta put everything away. But we have tomorrow. We have tomorrow. and you bet your ass I'm gonna be out here again. I've got a new boat, a tiny boat. It'll blow all your tiny boats away, people. So I've got that thing in store for you tomorrow. We're gonna go crappie fishing, same place. I think we can get onto a whole bunch more. I've been trying to hold back and not try to catch a bunch today. I'm trying to fish a little bit more open areas, but I think I know where they're at, and we're gonna hit them again tomorrow. But I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm gonna go home, get some rest, get some food, and get ready for tomorrow. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.